So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into this galvanize, release that PVC, so we can see how far that mortar and spacers from the ceramic tile is causing this pipe to clog. But I think the problem is right there, and if we can get into it right there, I think we're good. Then we can finish this ceiling, and then we can get to this bathtub down here. Let's go. A little bit at a time. Making it out. This is what we're looking like. Now let's put it back together. See what we got. Alright, we got everything back together. Time to run some water. See what we got.